Jane Galena here, also known as Airplane Jane. In today's video, I'm going to give you my review of Stefanie Kammerman. Is she a scam with these Darkpool prints or not? But before we get started, make sure you hit like, subscribe, and turn on those notifications so you get awesome videos like this one. So with my personal experience from Stefanie Kammerman, I first found her when I was looking for women to interview for my book, FMJ, Trust, Transition, and Trade, which is all about female day traders from around the world and their experiences. And so I reached out online and I thought, hey, let me see, and I want to talk to her and find out more about these Darkpool prints. So I went forward, scheduled the interview, and I spoke with her and recorded it and ended up being part of my book. So I became even more curious. And then later I started my Modern Trader Summit and asked her to come and speak with me. I heard a presentation about all of these Darkpool prints where the really big guys of the market lay their trades, and basically you wait for that price action and you follow the really big trade. So if they're correcting the market, we see all of the prints at the top and it goes down. If they are looking to buy the market, they buy the prints and then boom, all of a sudden it goes up. So when we were at the Modern Trader Summit, she gave me her Darkpool secrets, and I read the book and I thought, you know what? It's time for me to take a leap and go forward with the Darkpool trading room. So at that time, it was just the Java pit. So needless to say, is she a scam? No, she is not. Stefanie Kammerman is probably one of the most down-to-earth people I know, very caring, very giving, and looking to help other traders really learn to trade the market with the edge of the dark pools. In the trading rooms, there's the Java pit, which is really the advanced room. And there's the training pit, which is actually where she asked me to also help and teach other newer traders about the dark pool. And there's a new free trading room that shows you a glimpse of these dark pool prints and really the moves that come from them. So you actually do have access to live dark pool prints there, and that is at thefreetradingroom.com. So what is all of this about? So basically, Stefanie Kammerman is one of the most down-to-earth people. She's very caring, very giving, and wants to help educate traders to really learn about the dark pools, which is where these really big, massive hedge funds, big whales of the market trade that have so much money. We're talking positions of $16 billion, right? We just recently saw 50 million shares of the SPY traded. Wouldn't you want to be on the right side of that trade instead of battling against it? When you are day trading, you have to have that edge. And Stefanie set out from her own experience over 27 years ago with trading around the dark pools at a prop firm as a not mother at that time, but as a newly married woman, then became a mom, and then continued forward to open up her trading room. So there's a lot of similarities between the two of us. We are both moms, we are both female day traders, and we are both very caring teachers that want to see you succeed in the trading world. So if you want to learn more about Stefanie Kammerman, check out thedarkpools.com and check out the free trading room as well. It's really in your best interest, and I cannot say enough good things about her. She's an amazing person, so warm and loving, and really cares about every single student that comes in to the rooms. And we are all a big family, and we all work together so that we all profit. All right, guys, that's my review of Stefanie Kammerman. If you all ever have any questions, you want to reach out to me, please feel free to email me at jane@cjanetrade.com. For now, carpe profit, seize those profits one trade at a time.